Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever sent a design off to a printer, you've probably heard about adding bleed to your file. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to add bleed to your Photoshop project for 2024. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your artwork so colors and images extend neatly to the edge after trimming. No annoying white borders, and no headaches at the print shop. Let's get right into it. First things first. Go ahead and open up Photoshop. You can use any version from 2024. The process is pretty much identical. Once you're in, have your document ready. If you're starting fresh, just open a new canvas or load up an existing design you want to prep for print. Now, let's activate rulers so we have some visual guides to work with. Rulers are like virtual measuring tapes that sit on the top and side of your canvas. To turn them on, simply hit Ctrl+R on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, that'd be CMD+R. You'll see measurements pop up instantly around your workspace. This is going to help us position things precisely, especially if the design needs tight edges. With your rulers active, the next move is to drag out guides. And this part is super helpful for indicating where your main design stops and where the bleed starts. Just hover over one of the horizontal or vertical rulers, click, and drag a guide right into your canvas. I recommend placing a guide at each corner, so one guide for the top, one for the bottom, one for the left, and one for the right. This visual frame shows you exactly where your original design boundaries are. It's almost like drawing a border on a piece of paper before you start a sketch. All right, we're ready to add the actual bleed. Go up to the top menu, look for Image, and then click on Canvas Size. Don't confuse this with image size. Canvas size actually changes the work area, not just the content. A quick note here, expanding the canvas lets you create that crucial buffer zone around your artwork that printers trim away for perfect edge-to-edge color. In the canvas size dialog box, you'll see width and height fields. This is where we add the bleed. For standard print jobs, 10 pixels is typical, but always check with your printer. Add 10 pixels to each field. For example, if your canvas is 1000 px wide, change it to 1010px. Same idea for height. Photoshop will show a preview, and you'll notice extra space popping up around your original work. Before you click OK, just double-check that the relative box is unchecked, so you're entering the total size and not just the amount to add. Hit OK when you're ready. Photoshop instantly expands your canvas, creating that 10px zone all the way around. Now, your art can actually run past the guides. And anything out in that extra area will get trimmed off in final production, so nothing important should be out there except background colors, bleed images, or design elements meant to go to the edge. Take a moment to check your layers. If you had a background color or image, you may need to stretch it out so it covers the new bleed area. This step is crucial because if you leave anything blank, you might end up with a white strip after printing. Get in close and fill it out like frosting to the edge of a cake. But don't worry if some layers don't reach yet, you can quickly adjust with the Move tool or by resizing elements. And that's it. You've just added bleed to your Photoshop file. This small addition makes a huge difference for professional print-ready results and saves you a ton of trouble. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know any questions you have down in the comments. I love hearing from you and I'm always here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Photoshop guides and creative tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.